Welcome to the class of Subhashish Bhaumik, English in Imperial. As I have told you, my class name is. This is English in Imperial Part 1. Earlier it was the introduction. Now today we will be discussing on the sentences which come with error. Not normally seen with, but they are wrong sentences. How? First, I will take some sentences based on nouns. Number 1. Order has been issued for his transfer to another district. But he has not received them so far. Now, order has been issued for his transfer to another district. The sentence seems to be correct, but it is not. It will be, now these sentences will find the errors in the hint will be in noun. Here, district is a noun, order is a noun. Now, here the mistake lies. It will be orders, not order. Orders has been issued for his transfer to another district. Whenever there is an authority, we speak orders, not order. Second comes, although she has studied English for almost a year. She is yet to learn the alphabet. Now, although she has studied English for almost a year, which are the nouns over here? She, pronoun. English is a noun, there is no mistake in it. She is yet to learn the alphabet. Now, alphabet is a mistake. We say alphabet of letters, not alphabets of letters. Alphabet is a compound noun, so it will be alphabet, not alphabets. It will be alphabet. This is the right one. Third, there are 2 scores of books which are lying. There are 2 scores of books which are lying unused in the library. Which are lying unused. Now, books, correct, the noun, there is no mistake in it. What else is the noun? Scores. We don't use, there are 2 scores of books. There are 2 score of books. Books is a noun, plural, of course, so it will be plural, are. The agreement of verb with subject will be are. But we never say 2 scores. There are 2 scores. Score itself is a pronoun sound, itself is a plural sounding word. So there are 2 score of books, not scores. It will be score. There are 2 score of books. Children are prone to mischiefs. Children are prone to mischiefs. If they have nothing to do. Now, children, pronoun, no problem in it. Mischiefs. Here, mischiefs is a word which is wrong. It is already a collective noun. Mischief is a word, it is not a collective noun, but we say it is already used in pronoun. Singular pronoun is the same. We don't use the word mischiefs, we use mischief. It doesn't carry any S about it. Fine? It will be only children are prone to mischief if they have nothing to do. So it is always used in the plural unchanged form. Then comes I have not gone through the letter, and so I am not aware of its content. Letter is a noun, content is a noun, but problem is in this word content. In a singular word, content means something else. But here, when we say something belonging, something which is contained in something, so it is contents, always used in the plural form, not content. It will be, I am not aware of its contents.